Hi, I'm Jess Gant.
And I'm Darren Casolu.
We're here today to discuss a subject that we're very
learned about.
High school.
It's heartbreaking.
It's devastating.
It's humiliating.
It's awkward.
Awkwardness in high school is inevitable, but when in these uncomfortable situations, they can be easily escaped. Now follow me and we can go to where we spend most of our school days, the classroom.
Ah, here we are. There you are, doing your work. Yeah, you do that work so well. Oh, awkward. Is that girl looking at you? No. Oh, yes, she is. Now you've confirmed she's looking at you. Awkward. But we have a simple maneuver which has been proved to effectively avoid this awkward game of glances, yet still leave her wondering. The cross-room poster eye shuffle. As your eyes lock again, quickly avert yours to the nearest poster behind her and begin to react appropriately. Chuckle. Oh, Homer. Be offended by it. Oh, Homer. Or also try captivation. Oh, Homer. Now back to your work. You have more important things to do, you sly dog.
We go to lunch every day to enjoy the presence of our friends and tell awesome stories with our mouths full of ridiculously good cafeteria food. However, oftentimes the lines are extremely long, and this leads us to attempt an awkward stunt that is not appreciated by fellow students. Shall we?
You arrive a few minutes late, and therefore the line has reached a rough estimate of 6 miles. You are firmly planted at the end with no sign of salvation. Suddenly, you spot a friend. In a fit of hunger, you weigh your options and spur the moment decide to take the plunge. What's up, broski? Is he really your broski? Would you really include him in your will should you die tomorrow? No, and everyone behind you knows that. Now you have an angry mob behind you, and you're forced to make small talk with someone you care nothing about. Awkward. Think again next time, champ.
That was awkward. Let's get out of here and go to Jess in the hallway.
A lot of the times when we're in the hallway, some awkward things can happen too. Hey, there's my friend. That was awkward. I looked stupid. So what I should have done is taken this wave and made it not a wave anymore. I'm not waving to someone I don't know. I'm dancing, and I'm having a good time doing it. Let's pass it off to Darren now.
Oh, hey. So I'm here at the last, but certainly not least, awkward location, the public high school restroom. Well, what do you know? Here come 3 students now. Look at those poor unlearned students. They all need to use the restroom at the same time. That's awkward. Everyone knows there's only 3 stalls. That infers that someone's going to be breaking the MPP NBA law, aka maximum people peeing not beside anyone. That means someone will have to break out the dancing to pass time. Just get out of there, Bobby. Don't waste your time.
Well, now we've experienced an entire day.
Intense eye contact in the classroom.
Loneliness in the oh-so-public cafeteria.
Waving to someone who doesn't even know your name.
And blatant disregard of the MPP NBA law.
But we've learned these things are all easily avoidable.
So don't be afraid of awkward high school.
Just be prepared.